anyone who is concerned about their privacy on Discord, take a sigh of relief because the platform is finally hearing you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Discord is now making your calls on the platform truly private. The social platform, which is great for playing games and chilling with friends, or even building a worldwide community, says it's completed its years-long endeavor to apply end-to-end encryption in all voice and video calls. The security is applied to all calls outside of state channels with no need to opt into the added protection. While Discord is adding this feature, attitudes on end-to-end encryption have been shifting at some platforms across the tech world. While many see end-to-end encryption as a critical way to keep private conversations personal, some platforms have been taking some steps away from this security option. Already this year, Meta has removed the option of end-to-end encryption from Instagram DMs, and TikTok also revealed that it wouldn't be offering it in DMs either. But while some platforms may access your chats, there are other brands on the same side as Discord. Notably, Apple, which is famous for prioritizing the privacy of its customers, is finally encrypting RCS messages, adding more privacy when iOS and Android users are chatting. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.